Guys, we got this beautiful replacement for our diamond plate. Foam so we don't jack up the boat again. Beautiful. I love the color. Put the link in the description if you guys have troubles with your trailers too. I'm gonna put this guy on there today. Right now, actually.
I'm gonna help you do that, Jordan.
Sure.
I'll take this side.
Super sticky.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna pause real quick, guys, so we can do this right.
Guys, out with the old, in with the new. Look at that. Look at that. That's not ever coming off.
So Jordan, why did you do that?
Because this one on the other side.
Oh,
we're good. This one on the other side was sitting, and then I came up on it weird because of the wind, and it took a gash out of the boat. Now, rounded edges, and it's not metal.
yeah, the way this trailer sits, guys, it's really easy to bounce your boat up on the top of the trailer. I know people say, well, you're putting your trailer in too deep. We've tried every way possible, but every now and then,
jumps on the trailer.
yeah, if you hit a wave or it doesn't come on exactly straight, your trailer bumps up and it hits that diamond plate. I mean, your boat bumps up and it hits that diamond plate. When it does that, I'm going to show you what it does. Come around. You're going to see right there? Pretty nasty gouge. Well, that happened when it came up on the diamond plate right here. You'll see where the boat came in and hit it. And that's that diamond plate quarter there. And just takes out a chunk. So a solution to that is to replace out your diamond plates with these really cool pads.
Right? This way?
Yep, just like that. And they're super sticky.
And they're super easy to take off.
Yeah, so I'll hold one side.
Pull that side.
Yeah, so we'll pull that off.
Just don't fold it.
And be really, really careful putting this on. I'll take this side. Okay, oops. We're just gonna slowly make sure it covers those holes.
It is.
Okay. Nice and straight.
You guys, there's a combination fishing, there is fishing in the age for 7 days.
So that's how nice that turned out.
Which one do you get?
And it's gonna protect the boat.